Hi, this is Missy. Have you noticed the spring is here? People are starting to spend more time outdoors, but there's a problem. People are also getting hay fever symptoms, like sneezing and a stuffy nose and watery eyes or itchy eyes, and you get runny nose too, and sometimes it's getting really stuffy, and also that congestive problem caused you sleepless night. Sometimes the swelling is really unbearable. These are the symptoms of the hay fever, but don't mix it with the normal fever. It's nothing like that. It's not caused by the virus. It's your body immune system reacts to allergens and such as dust mites and pollen and mold. Sometimes you react to the food too. Plus some medication that could cause problems. How do we solve it? There are some very simple home remedies that you can take to reduce that symptom and get on top of it. There are quite a lot of over-the-counter medication that you can take. Or if the situation gets worse, you've got to go and see your doctor and specialist to get those medications. Basically, antihistamine, isn't it? But you can use the natural remedy to manage this symptom. So let's have a look at what you can do. While you need to reduce the congestion, you could use the humidifier, air filter, and you can also use steam. Another very effective way is also acupuncture, antibiotics prescribed by your doctor, and use the eye drops or the nasal spray. Plus you can get probiotic. And did you know 2 of the most effective enzymes that you can get from the fruit kingdom will help you manage the histamine? What is it? Papaya and pineapple, right? So have plenty of those. And what other vegetables or fruit or herbal remedies that you can use? You could use one of those blue-green algae called spirulina. Another one is the stinging nettle, or you can have some ginger honey tea, and make sure that you have plenty of citrus fruits. Take plenty of vitamin C so you can get on top of things. Plus green tea and green leafy vegetables. If you like broccoli, cauliflower, have plenty because they will help you too. Let's talk about my favorite treatment, using the essential oil. The medicinal properties in the essential oils can give you really fast relief, and you will see the effectiveness. Reduce the symptom by doing the steam inhalation. Just have a big bowl of steaming water and have some drops of essential oils and put a big towel over your head and just inhale the vapor. You will feel your body is much relaxed. So what kind of essential oils you use? You can try the eucalyptus, you can try peppermint, spearmint, sandalwood, lavender, chamomile, lemon, and frankincense. Just have a few drops of the essential oils in a tissue and put that under your pillow, and you will get a really good night's sleep. And that's very important too, because that is also one of the symptoms that you will get fatigue as a result of sleepless night. So the essential oils will help you in quite a few ways. You can have them in the diffuser in the house, use the essential oil in the tissue, and try and use all of those fruits and vegetables and nice herbal remedies to help you relieve those symptoms. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know, comment below. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Miss Gray.